How to do a front squat with arms crossed. 1. Set up the barbell. Position the barbell on a squat rack at about upper chest height. Step under the bar so it rests on the front deltoids, shoulders, close to your neck. Your upper arms should be parallel to the ground, or slightly higher. 2. Cross your arms. Cross your arms in front of your chest. Place your right hand on top of your left shoulder and your left hand on your right shoulder. Keep your elbows up and pointing straight ahead or slightly up. This helps create a stable shelf for the bar. 3. Brace and unrack. Brace your core, stand up to lift the bar off the rack and take a step back. 4. Squat down. Inhale and begin descending by bending your hips and knees. Keep your torso upright and elbows up. Squat down until your thighs are at least parallel to the ground, or deeper if mobility allows. Drive back up. Push through your heels and midfoot to return to standing. Keep your core tight and elbows lifted throughout. Muscles worked. The front squat emphasizes different muscles compared to the back squat. Primary muscles. Quadriceps. Main movers due to the upright torso position. Gluteus Maximus. Assist with hip extension. Adductors. Stabilize and assist in bringing the thighs together. Secondary muscles. Core muscles. Rectus abdominis, obliques. Transverse abdominis. Work hard to stabilize the spine. Spinal erectors help maintain posture. Upper back, trapezius rhomboids, support the bar and help keep elbows up. Deltoids, front, provide the shelf for the bar and assist in keeping the elbows lifted. Tips: if you have tight shoulders or upper back, warm up with mobility drills first. Keep your chest up and elbows high to avoid the bar rolling forward. Start light to master technique before increasing weight. Please check my next video.